Welcome back to Taylor Cooks. It's the midweek. It's actually it's a Thursday classic. So we're gonna have a Thursday classic, which is chicken and chips. Well, not really as you know, chicken and chips. But if you've got chicken, which we have out the freezer, and we've got some bacon, which we have out the fridge, and we've got some sage, which we got out of the garden, and we got some mushrooms and some sherry. What can go wrong? Cue the music. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little chicken dish a little bit more special than perhaps it would normally be. Chicken thighs, most people have chicken thighs. The best thing to do is to buy some chicken thighs from somewhere like Iceland or somewhere like that. And you're going to get so many meals out of them, it's going to be unbelievable, it really is. So there's our chicken thigh. First thing I'm going to do is cover this with cling film. Like this. I'm going to put our chicken thighs on top. There. There we go. Because I want these to cook quick, because it's midweek. So we're going to get a cleaver and we're going to flatten them down just a bit. So it flattens them down, it makes them a little bit more tender as well. You've seen me do this with steak quite a few times. So if we flatten it down like this, you can use a rolling pin, you can use whatever you want. All we're going to do is flatten it down, just like that. Not like that, just like that. Okay, so open it up. And you see our chicken is a little bit flatter than what it was before. There we are, like that, all right. So, a piece of bacon, pop it on top. Piece of bacon on this one, we'll pop it on top, exactly the same. Just trim the fat off. Okay, there it is, on there like that. And if you, out of the garden, I said to you before, so in the garden we've got sage, so I'm going to put a sage leaf on top of that, and a sage leaf on top of that one. And then what I'm going to do again is a little piece of cling film over the top, like this. And then we'll batter them down again. Okay. Helps the bacon to stick. Spreads the chicken out, okay? So that's what we've done so far. Take the cling film off. Right, so let's get it fried. Okay, take it off and rest it. While that's resting, I'm going to throw some mushrooms in. A few baby tomatoes. Glass of white wine. A glass of Marsala. Just a Deglaze. chicken and bacon. All the juices.